everyone, my name is Misty Snyder and I am the Children's Department Manager at the Downtown Library. I am here today to tell you all about our fall Take and Make kits. We provided Take and Make kits throughout our summer reading program this summer for 9 weeks, and they were so popular that we had to bring them back for the fall. Now our fall kits are only going to be available once per month because school is starting and families are going to be busier. But each of our local branches are also going to have some other fun things that are just specific to their libraries every month as well. So don't forget to check out your local branch and get signed up for whatever they're offering each month. So today I want to share with you what our fall Take and Make kits are going to look like. In September, we are celebrating National Library Card Sign-Up Month. That's like the best holiday ever for librarians. We love library cards. So in the kit that you can pick up at the library, it'll look just like this. You get one per child. You're going to find all sorts of fun things. The first thing you're going to find is a flyer here that tells you all about our National Library Card Sign-Up Month. Has a few book recommendations, a coupon for a kids meal to Applebee's. Thank you, Applebee's, for donating those to us. And also a link to a survey that we would love if you could fill out for us. We would love to find out what you would like to see in upcoming Take and Make kits or other virtual programming options that we could offer. We also will have a fun coloring sheet and some crayons and a great foam airplane craft kit that's ready to put together and zoom all over your house. And then the best part, we are including a DIY library card holder craft kit. This is a super simple, fun craft that anyone can do. It is great if you already have a library card or if you're needing to get a library card for your child. And in fact, we are going to include this first library card application in there. So if your kiddo doesn't have a library card yet, fill this out and come on by and we can get their library card ready to go for them that day. It's a good idea to have these pre-filled out because that will just give you more time to find the perfect books or movies or whatever you're looking for that day while we get your cards ready to go. All right, so now the library card holder. It's a super fun, super simple craft. We're gonna start with this book pocket, and you're also gonna get a piece of ribbon or yarn. You will receive a variety of stickers, and now's a good time to use your crayons. So decorate your card holder here. So I'm gonna put my I Love Reading, and I'm gonna do Pete the Cat because he's one of my favorites, and take my crayons and I am going to write my name on here. So you and your kiddos can put that together however you want. Take as much time as you want or make it as simple as you want. When it's all done, take your string. I like to just put it here around my neck, or maybe you want to do this at home. Put your string through the holes here and tie a little knot up at the top, and you're good to go. Use your scissors to trim up, but now you have your handy dandy library card holder, and I have my library card right here that I will stick in my pocket, and then when I go to the library, I will be ready to check out my books and have my library card in hand. So that's all. Really easy, fun craft. I hope you guys take advantage of these super fun craft kits this fall and come and see us when you can. There's also going to be a library card scavenger hunt, so be on the lookout for that on our Facebook page. That's going to be a whole family event, and we hope to see you back in the library really soon. Bye, guys.